Assalamualaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk all about load shedding in English, where you're going to learn how to talk about load shedding in English very smoothly. And you're going to learn vocabulary that you need to learn to explain about load shedding in English very vividly and smoothly. So, guys, make sure you watch the video to the end. So, dear brothers and sisters, load shedding is a common affair in Bangladesh nowadays, and it's one of the biggest problems in Bangladesh right now. Actually, it means the discontinuation of supply of electricity. There are a number of reasons that it happens. For instance, it happens whenever the demand of electricity is greater than production. System loss is also responsible for it. It also occurs for unplanned distribution of electricity. It actually causes a lots of problems. Actually, load shedding creates various problems in our everyday life. Um, Industrial sectors are affected by it for several times a day. For example, houses, mills, factories, uh, restaurants, hotels, shops, hospitals, all fall a victim to it. As a result, our economic condition is collapsing. Apart from we are facing the problem head on in a number of situations. For example, because of load shedding, sometimes we are really, really deprived of watching our favorite programs on TV. Uh, Actually, every once in a while, we cannot watch important cricket match, football match, any kind of a sport. What I'm trying to say is that many of us are really, really into watching cricket, football, news, and so on. Dear brothers and sisters, nowadays though IPL is going on as well, and everyone seems to know about it better than me, and everyone seems to like it. Yeah, I know. Dear lovely brothers and sisters, what I'm trying to say is that I think most of the people can't get enough of it. They really, really like watching sports like cricket, football, news, and so on. So what I'm trying to say is that whenever we're watching any kind of sports like cricket, FIFA World Cup, at the time, if we face the load shedding problem head on, everyone is pissed off, and it feels totally bad to everybody. Apart from a lots of students, especially in Bangladesh, a lots of students cannot go over studies due to load shedding. Not only a lots of students are facing the problems, but also children become restless in heat. So I reckon that the problem should be solved right now. Otherwise, our total economic condition will collapse if the problem is not solved. So I think government should take immediate steps to stop these kind of problems to solve. And I'd say government needs to get on with facing out the problems as much as possible. So dear lovely brothers and sisters, I don't want to make it more longer. If you enjoy watching this video so far, and if you think that this video is really, really helpful to know about load shedding and to know about how to talk about load shedding in English very clearly and smoothly, please share the video to your brothers and sisters, cousin, colleague, every single person, and please share the video on your Facebook, on your messenger groups, Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. Uh, and even please watch the video with your brothers and sisters and with your mom, with every single person, because it's really, really helpful, I think. And if you really want to get more videos like this, please follow me on Facebook to get more video like this. And please take care of yourself and stay well and safe. Please pray 5 times. Allah Hafiz.